just have a good time. All we wanna do is make it prime time. Cups in the air for that one time. All we wanna do is have a good time.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be doing a hair review on hair ordered from Vallbest hair. Alright, so in this hair I ordered Indian straight, and I got an 18-inch closure, and my bundles are 20, 22, and 24. And I will be getting this installed for a sew-in, so I will have pictures for you all to see how it looks once it's actually installed. I actually purchased the hair on Wednesday, and I was able to get the hair on Monday. So the turnaround time on ordering hair is usually 4 days, something like that. And of course it was a Sunday, so it took an extra day because the mailman doesn't run on Sundays. Now I'm just gonna show you all the hair. So it comes in a package like this, and it just has a zip at the top, just like a Ziploc bag basically. And inside, when you first look, I received a free pair of lashes, of course, and it also came with a card from the sellers, which is Vallbest hair, and it just gives a letter of thanks, their social media, and on the back it just tells their return policy. Now moving on to the hair, first I will be showing you all my closure, and it's 18-inch. It's in the packaging like this, so I'll just open it and take the hair out so you all can see it. Alright, so the hair, of course, is straight, so it looks like this. It has a beautiful texture to it. It feels so nice, and the closure is thick. And the only thing that I don't like about this closure is the hairs on the end, which is supposed to be like baby hairs, but they're way too long and it's too thick. So I'll actually probably customize the hairline part on here and pluck it and thin it out some and cut it, of course, so it'll look more natural like baby hairs. And next I will be showing you my bundles. So I have 3 of them, these 3, and they come in packaging. It has a tag on the hair. It just says 100% human, top quality human hair, and I will show you in order by length. So the first bundle is 20 inches. And this is how it looks. The bundles are thick and the weft is smaller, and of course hair comes in the bundles. It's 100 grams per bundle, so the longer the length is, the smaller the weft as far as the width of it will get, because it's less hair. But I mean, that's fine. As long as you get at least 3 bundles with long hair, your hair will be good. This is the 20. The next bundle that I will be showing you all is the 22-inch. So this is the 22-inch. The quality of this hair is great. When I say it feels so good, I believe when it flat irons, it's going to have a lot of body and it's going to straighten well, and it's going to be really pretty. I'll actually upload some pictures or either a video on here once I get this hair installed. The last inch that I'm going to show you is my longest bundle, which is 24 inches. Alright, and this is the 24-inch bundle, and of course it's the smallest one because it's longer. And the bundles, when you look at them, there are a few filler hairs, which are the hairs that are not the full 24-inch, just to make the density of the bundles thicker. But there aren't that many, and they show predominantly more when the hair is flat iron. So I can tell you all about that once I get it straightened. Shout out to the hairstylist Lily Nicole for this wonderful install. I have a middle part sew in, and it looks so beautiful. I will link her channel in the description box below. And I will also be able to give you all more of a quality update because I'm actually getting this hair installed on myself this time instead of making a unit for someone else. So I'm going to have it in my hair. I am going to wash it and flat iron it and tell you all about that. But as far as looking at them in their natural condition, it's no tangles, no shedding or anything. Your hair runs through smoothly. Like, I really wish you all could feel the texture of this hair because it's great. After looking at the hair and checking out the quality, as of right now, I would give Vallbest hair a 9 on a scale of 10 because the hair is great. I love everything about it. I definitely will shop from them again and purchase something else. And I will be able to give you all more of a quality update once I get it installed. I'll upload that for you all as well. I'll do maybe a 4-week video, 4-week update, 3-week, something of that nature. But yeah, thank you all for checking out my video. I'll be back again. I have some good content coming for you all. Subscribe, like, share the video with everyone. And thank you all. Bye.